Hi there, welcome to another video in my van build series. In this video, I'm going to show you how I installed the window in my sliding door. That's the window you see here right behind me. So this window came from Motion Windows. It's specifically designed for the medium and high roof 4 Transit. They called it a T-slider, I believe. So as you can see right here, which should be able to slide a little bit for you. It's got a slide opening, and this is screened in, which is built in, which is really great. So it's going to let me open up the window, get a little bit more airflow, let the fan pull some more air from another source when it's not raining. I really like this window. It was super easy to install. Basically just had to cut out the hole for the window using a template from the metal on the side of the van. Paint the edges, make sure that they were protected from rust and wouldn't have any issues long term. And then essentially just place the window in, screw in the flange, and we were good to go. So what you're going to see in this video, which is shorter than most of my build videos, is exactly that. Me cutting out the hole for the window, me painting the edges, me installing the window, and here we are. So I already took the window out. I really like it. One of the things I noticed is that it seems that the panes of glass, the install, something I haven't quite figured out yet because I've been driving when the noise happens, but there's a little bit of vibration that sounds like something shaking a little bit. So I'll figure that out, and that'll make me a lot happier long term. But overall, really happy with this window. It is pretty well tinted, which again is really great to make sure that I'm not just getting baked on the inside. I do have a window cover, an insulated window cover that blocks out the light and provides a really good insulation. So at night, if I'm not going to have the sliding opening open, I can have that covered and not have any open surfaces for people to look in at nighttime or anytime else I want to close the van off. And what I also really found, what I found that's really awesome about this window as well, is that there's been a couple times I've been driving with the last handful of days after installing it, where I'm pulling up to an angled junction, an angled T junction, and without the window before, it was really tough to see out the right side to really figure out, is there a car coming or not. With this, it was the perfect spot for me to be able to look out the window and get a little bit extra view. So I feel a lot safer with this window too. So on top of getting some extra natural light in, some extra airflow, safer to drive as well. So I'm really excited about this window. I'm glad I've got it installed. Things are progressing really well with my build. So check it out, the time lapse. There's not a whole lot more to explain. Just wanted more light, more airflow. So check out the time lapse. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to another video in my van build series. All the links you're going to be interested in are in the description, so check those out. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos of my build coming soon.